In a landmark judgment, the Bombay High Court today overturned the convictions and death sentences handed down by a special court in the 2006 Mumbai train blast case, acquitting all 12 accused, including the 5 who have been awarded capital punishment and 7 sentenced to life imprisonment. The High Court also dismissed the Maharashtra government's plea seeking confirmation of the death penalties. A special division bench comprising Justices Anil S. Kilor and Shyam C. Chandak delivered the verdict, sharply criticizing the reliability of key prosecution witnesses and raising concerns over the test identification parade process used in identifying the accused. The judges ruled that the prosecution had utterly failed to prove the case beyond reasonable doubt and declared it was unsafe to sustain the convictions, given the evidence presented. The court ordered the immediate relief of the accused, provided they are not involved in any other depending cases. Each individual was directed to furnish a personal bond of Rs 25,000 as well. The verdict comes nearly 19 years after the horrific serial bomb blast that rocked Mumbai's suburban train system on July 11, 2006, killing 189 people and injuring over 824. The bombs were planted in pressure cookers on 7 Western Railway coaches during the evening rush hours, causing massive destruction and panic. The case was one of the most high-profile cases, terror investigations and prosecutions. In September 2015, after an exhaustion trial that spanned more than 8 years, a special Maharashtra Control of Organized Crime Act court had convicted 12 of the 13 accused, sentencing 5 to death and 7 to life imprisonment. One of the original 13, Wahid Sheikh, has already been acquitted by the special court after spending 9 years in prison. The 5 men sentenced to death included the names that were Kamal Ahmed Mohammed, Vakil Ansari, Muhammad Fazal Atur Raman Sheikh, Asbad Qutubin Siddiqui, Naveed Hussain Khan, Asif Khan Basir Khan. Now, these individuals were convicted of planting the bombs on the trains. One of them reportedly died in prison during the COVID-19 pandemic. The 7 others sentenced to life imprisonment included Tanveer Ahmed Muhammad Ibrahim Ansari, Muhammad Masjid Muhammad Safi, Sheikh Muhammad Ali Alam Sheikh, Muhammad Sajid Murab Ansari, Muzammil Ator Rahman Sheikh, Suhail Mahdoub Sheikh, Zamir Ahmed Luftar Rahman Sheikh. Now, questioning the prosecution's case, the High Court judge followed extension hearings that began in July 2024 and concluded in January 2025. After over 75 sittings, the defense, led by a distinguished legal team, included senior advocate S. Muralidharan, former Delhi HC judge, now Nitya Ramakrishnan, S. Nagamathu, and advocates Yug Mohit Chaudhary and Piyush Roy. All of them argued that the accused had been falsely implicated and their confessional statements were obtained through torture by the Maharashtrian Anti-Terrorism Squad, making them inadmissible under Indian law. Now, they contended that accused has languished in jail for over 18 years, losing their youth to incarnated despite a lack of substantial evidence trying them on the basis. The defense further argued that the special court had misapplied the law in convicting the accused and the judgment should be quashed in the interest of justice. Now, in this Maharashtra government stand, what was it? The Maharashtra government's representative by senior advocate Raja Thakare, serving as the special public prosecutor, had argued in favor of upholding the special court's convictions. The government maintained that the case represented a rarest of the rare instance of terrorism and claiming that the investigation agencies have collected at least sufficient evidence to warrant the death penalty. The prosecution pointed to the seriousness of the charges, which included violations under the Unlawful Activity Prevention Act and Explosive Substances Act, Indian Penal Code, Railway Act, and Mukoka, claiming that the accused were part of larger conspiracy to destabilize the country. The case involved over 250 witnesses, including 92 prosecution witnesses, and spanned 169 volumes of evidence. The death sentence judgment alone ran nearly 2,000 pages. Long delayed injustice. Now, since their conviction in 2015, the accused have been held in various central prisons across Maharashtra, including Yerawada and Amravati, waiting for their appeals to be heard. Now, with the appeals pending for nearly a decade, the Bombay High Court's formation of a special bench in 2024 was seen as a long overdue step towards resolving the matter. Now, what impact and reactions it has? The High Court's ruling is likely to have significant ramification, both legal and political. While human rights advocates and legal experts may view the decision as a vindication of due process, the acquittals have also stirred debates over investigative accountability and the need for robust evidence-proof prosecutions in terror cases. The judgment also lightens long-standing concerns about wrongful convictions, prolonged pre-trial detention, and the misuse of anti-terror laws, which has often drawn criticism for being misapplied or abused, especially in potentially or politically sensitive cases. As of now, all 12 acquitted individuals are eligible for immediate release, barring any other legal proceedings against them. The state government has yet to announce whether it will challenge the High Court's decision in the Supreme Court of India or not. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to the Savera, download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.